What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. As y'all seen by the title of the video, yeah, I finally was able to get it. So I got that, the Starlight kit, the headliner for this car, which we're gonna be changing the color to black, and then we got the headliner for the Caprice. So it all finally came in. Now I'm still waiting on like 4 more packages. One package I know is the back lower trim for the Caprice. Then I ordered a couple things for the Cutlass. Let me see if I actually forgot what all I ordered, and I thought it all was gonna be in by this weekend, which is when by the time I was recording this video, I thought everything was gonna be in, but it's not. So we still waiting. Oh yeah, so I want to talk to y'all about this too. So I decided I'm not gonna do a tail light change. I'm gonna just leave the tail lights what they are, because you feel me, because I want to end up getting another box Chevy with different tail lights. With the 87, or it's actually 86, but I don't want the 2 headlights again. I want the 1 full piece headlight. So it's 87 to 90s. So I'm gonna end up getting one of them models, and I'm gonna keep my tail lights what they are on the Caprice already. So we're gonna leave them tail lights how they are. So I ordered a new little piece because one of the tail lights is cracked, and it's 1 piece. So I ordered 1 piece, and it's like $50, which is pretty good because everything else for my Cutlass and the Caprice, they've been pretty high, like over $100. So like I said, we're gonna paint the car, but I don't want to just throw it to the paint shop, and I still got a couple more body pieces I need to get, like that fender. I don't know if I need to go ahead and order the fender or just get the trim, put the trim over where the fender is cut already, because like I said, I don't know if them 26 is gonna rub on the new fender if we don't have it cut, or if, like, you feel me, I don't really know. So that's one thing I'm debating on right now, if I should order the fender now or if I should wait to order the fender, or if, like I'm saying, like, or if I don't need to order the fender at all, you feel me. So that's mainly what's holding me up with getting that car painted. But I also want to send both the cars together, and y'all should be looking forward soon. And for me, it's a couple days, like 3 days. I'm picking up the Cutlass, and I gotta go get it inspected so I can get my tags and insurance and all that stuff put on it. So y'all look forward to me picking up the Cutlass and having my first drive in it. It's gonna be like a 30-minute drive for me, an hour drive I mean. So I'll get like 20 minutes worth of footage for y'all. Y'all see how the car drives and stuff, how it sound. So yeah, we should be picking that up. For me, like 3 days. For y'all, it's probably gonna be like the following week, or it might be the end of this week for y'all. I don't know how these videos gonna fall, because I just been recording for real, and I'm trying to stay on top of everything. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna be doing this headliner. I'm not gonna do it the next video, because the next video we're gonna work on the Caprice, because I need to talk to y'all about that too. And so it's gonna be the video after that. I'm gonna spend all weekend. I know it's gonna be like a 2-day project, because for one, I gotta get the headliner down, and then I gotta, you feel me, I gotta get these trim pieces off. I get this middle piece out, gotta get them off. I don't know if I need to fully take this piece off, or if I can just, you feel me, just pull this back some and get it. Gotta take them off, and the back pillars. So you feel me, it's gonna be a pretty long project. Then I need to get the headliner off, and then I also got these wire brushes. So I went to Harbor Freight, got these wire brushes, so we can scrape that old adhesive off, spray some new adhesive on, put the, you feel me, put the headliner down. Then we're gonna poke the holes for the starlights, which I'm finna get ready to show y'all all the stuff that I got so far. Like I said, these are just a couple packages. I'm still waiting on, I think it's 4 more packages. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. So I'm waiting on the rear extension trim pieces at the bottom for the Caprice. I'm waiting for the tail light extension pieces for the Cutlass. I'm waiting for the Cutlass little gear shift. It's a little gear shift knob right here. I ordered one of them. It's not the color of the car right now, but we're gonna end up, like I said, I still got to send it to the interior shop anyway. So we got that, and then like I said, the Caprice tail light piece. So that's all we waiting on. Yep. And then I gotta go get, I don't know if a couple things that I still do need to get for the Cutlass anyways. I don't know if the floor pan got a hole in it to where I need to replace that floor pan. So I don't know if I need to do that, but I still gotta go pick up the Euro bumper for the Cutlass. So hopefully me and my dad can do that this coming up week. Cause I pick up, like I said, I pick up the Cutlass in 3 days. So it's gonna be like a Monday or Tuesday for me. One of them 2 days I'm picking up the Cutlass. So I need to get the Euro bumper. So my pops need to quit playing. We need to go on down there and get it. But I hope y'all get ready for that content. It's gonna be a whole lot of content on the Cutlass. Cause for one, we gotta clean the interior out, clean the exterior up. I gotta get a couple more parts, a couple interior pieces, I don't know if I need no trim pieces. I got the tail lights back here. Y'all can see I got a couple speakers, which I don't know if I'm gonna use yet. Got speaker wire. Tail lights is under the speaker wire. And waiting on them trim pieces. Like I said, I done ordered a lot of stuff for not just the Caprice, but for the Cutlass too. Cause like I said, he had gave me a heads up that it was gonna be ready in an extra week. So now it's got like 3 days left. So we're finna get ready to pick that up. Hope y'all ready. It's hot outside, so as y'all can see, I'm sweating. It's hot. So we got a lot of content coming. So I hope y'all prepared. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all. And let me go ahead and get ready to get these packages and show y'all these packages. All right, y'all, so the first package we got, I'm gonna have to get like a lint roller or something to get this stuff off, but it's the headliner for the charging line. I told y'all we going black, so it's gonna be black headliner, and then we're gonna have the star lights, because I figure it look better with the black headliner. And not too many Chargers this year model anyways have black headliner, so I wanted to go ahead and do black headliner. You don't see it too often, and since I'm doing star lights, I wanted it to pop a little more, you feel me? So this is the first package. We're gonna be installing it not next video, but the video after next. And like I said, I'm gonna spend all weekend doing this. It's gonna be like a 2-day project. Now I hope y'all ready for this one. I don't know if this the right color. I think they sent me the wrong blue, but it'll look good in there anyways. It's close. I think it is the same color. We're gonna see. We're gonna go to the Caprice and see. But this is the blue that I got for the Caprice. The camera ain't really picking it up right, but it's picking it up pretty good though. So this is the blue that I got for the Caprice. Now they sent a whole lot. I think this one was $45, maybe $50, and this black one for the Charger was $20. And it should take up the whole headliner. If not, I got bamboozled. But this is the one for the Caprice. Now the Cutlass don't need a headliner because it's T-top, so it's only a little bit of headliner back there, you feel me? And it got like a yellow on there already, and I don't think it's nothing messed up with it, so I don't think that need headliner. But this is the one for the Caprice. It ain't really thick. I don't know if y'all can really tell. It ain't that thick, but it is pretty soft and it feels pretty good. And you feel me, I can rub my hand across it. See, I like this one. I like this material. It look pretty good too. It's pretty soft. This one feels cheap. I ain't gonna lie. It feels pretty cheap, but we'll make it work for now, and then we'll end up changing it down the line. I'm gonna have to get, like I said, some lint roller to get that lint and stuff off. So, yep. Now, what y'all came to see. Oh yeah, and I still gotta order the Chevrolet piece, because we're gonna have to put once we get the car painted, we're gonna have to put new emblems on. So this is the Caprice Classic piece that's going on the trunk of the Caprice. So yeah, look good, brand new. I think this was $10. I'm gonna have to order the Chevrolet piece too. So yeah, that's one thing I need to remember to get. But this is my Starlight kit. I think I got the 260 Starlight. So when we get ready to do the headliner, I'm gonna spread the headliner. I'm gonna put it in 4 pieces, you feel me? Put it in 4 pieces. That way I can try to make it even with the Starlights. We're gonna try and make it real even, you feel me? So we're going 260. I think this is 260. Hold on, let me make sure. Yeah. So 260 divided by 4 is 65. So we're gonna do 65 in each one. Y'all check my math for me, make sure I'm right. It should be 65. 260 divided by 4. Yeah, should be 65. So we're gonna do 65 in each part. Too bad I ain't got no sunroof. But actually pretty good, because I think it would have been harder to do this with a sunroof, because I don't know how to, like I said, I'm just practicing, teaching myself how to do this. But in the Starlight kit, come with the box. Now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna hide this box, because I don't know where I want to put it, unless I'm gonna just, like, you feel me, like mount it up right here. Nah, hell no, that's ugly. I ain't gonna lie. Or mount it up like that, but that's still ugly. I don't want it to show, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. Come with a house charger, don't need that, can't use it. And here go the car charger piece with the remote. Like I said, I got this kit off Amazon. I think this kit was $80. I think 70 or 80, one of them. You feel me? So, and it come with instructions. So if I do need help, I just read them. Smart drill holes when installing. I might have to go get a drill then. Oh, yep, it came with small drill bits for the hose. But I also brought, I was just gonna use like a safety pin or something, you feel me? And if the safety pin work, I'm gonna just do that. If not, I'm gonna have to go get a drill from like my uncle or somebody. But it come with the drill bits too, so that's a good thing. That's another plus. And here go the stars. Now that's the thing, I don't know how I'm gonna hide it, y'all. I don't know if I want to hide it, you feel me, in that pillar or this pillar. So that's what I gotta figure out. So that's one thing I gotta do. Let my window up, y'all. Hold on. I'm sweating though, so can't sit in here too much longer. I gotta do the next video. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna be installing it. It's gonna be like a 2-day project, so it's gonna take me a little minute to do. Teaching myself how to do it, get everything right, make it look good. And we're gonna have starlights in here. Now the only thing I gotta do is figure out how I'm gonna hide the starlights. You feel me? So that's gonna be the only thing. I just gotta figure out how I'm finna hide them. But I gotta put both of these in the Caprice. We're gonna check the headliner out next video, cause I gotta do something in the next video anyways. But yeah, like I said, I gotta figure out how I'm gonna hide this stuff, cause I don't know how I'm gonna hide it. The starlights or the box, I don't know where I want to put it yet. That's what I'm gonna have to figure out. I might just look up like a video or something online, see where they hid theirs at, and see how they did theirs. But that's what we're gonna figure out. So I appreciate y'all for watching this. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the Starlight kit. Y'all hit that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell to all. I'm sorry we didn't install it this video. I know most of y'all probably clicked on the thing we was trying to install it, but I just wanted to show y'all first, and then we're gonna install it, because maybe y'all could tell me, nah, about the time I drop this video, I've been and done it, because I'm pretty ahead. I'm like a week or two ahead of videos right now. So yeah, like I said, I appreciate y'all for tuning in though. Hold on one second. I'm trying to type this in my notes so I remember the title of how I want to do this video. Okay. Stop. I'm sorry, y'all. One second. That's how I stay organized. I gotta put it in my notes so I remember how I do it. So, okay, yeah, we got that done. Ooh, it's hot. I'm sweating. But yeah, like I said, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Y'all hit that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell to all. That's gonna be it for this one. Hope y'all be prepared for the starlights going in the charger. Finna try to do it ourselves. I gotta make sure I remember where to stop too, because I don't want to go too far up. I gotta make sure, you feel me, I gotta make sure I stop right here at this groove. That way it don't go in here, because I don't want it to go in there. It's gonna be a waste of them, so I gotta make sure to stop in that groove. Yeah. But yeah, like I said, that's gonna be it for this one. I'll catch y'all on the next one. The next one is gonna be a pretty interesting video. I don't know what y'all gonna think about it, but yeah, like I said, y'all stay tuned. I'll catch y'all on the next one.